Competitive intelligence. Collecting competitor data is a critical component of the capture management process. When properly collected and analyzed, this data becomes competitive intelligence that supports informed capture decisions. Competitive intelligence informs black hat reviews, price-to-win, PTW models, bid scenario analysis, and win strategy refinement. In practice, however, capture managers often face competing priorities and limited time. As a result, competitive intelligence development can suffer. This frequently leads to reused data, incomplete analysis, or reliance on educated guesswork. When this occurs, black hat reviews, price-to-win models, bid scenarios, and overall win strategies are all negatively impacted. To mitigate these challenges, organizations must prioritize disciplined competitive intelligence data management. One effective approach is establishing a centralized repository dedicated specifically to competitive intelligence for capture management. Importantly, much of the competitive intelligence needed may already exist from prior pursuits. Past analyses, research, and insights can be reused, refined, and built upon rather than recreated each time. This repository should be maintained on a shared drive and structured for easy access and reuse. At a minimum, it should include competitor profiles from government sources such as SAM and DSBS. It should also contain comprehensive company data from open sources and subscription-based research tools. Previously collected capture materials should be stored as well, including competitive intelligence briefings. This includes slides, charts, graphs, and outputs from black hat reviews and PTW analyses. Establishing this repository requires an initial one-time setup effort, along with continued discipline to keep it populated and current, and delivers long-term value. It prevents capture managers from starting from scratch on each new opportunity. More importantly, it enables stronger analysis, better decisions, and improved capture outcomes over time. For additional insight into this and other business development topics, contact the Kyle Group LLC.